Hello, ninth grade. Welcome to your week 6 rundown video. I'm going to talk a little bit about what I have in store for you this week for your asynchronous humanities work. So first, before I jump into what we're doing this week, let's talk a little bit about where we've been, right? So we're focusing on food deserts and food insecurity as it relates to our Farm to Mesa project and the garden that we're building on campus. We've learned about what a food desert is, learned about the origins of food deserts, and just recently, last week, talked a lot about how those origins had long lasting generational impacts. And so last week we learned about the consequences of living and implications of living in food deserts, more modern. And so now, this week, I have just a single article for you to read. So as you can see, it's pretty short and sweet here. Just three little notes under this week's module. And the single article that we are reading is called Why It Takes More Than a Grocery Store to Eliminate a Food Desert. So in this article, we are reading very important perspective. So we've talked a lot about the implications and the health risks of living in an area with low accessibility to whole foods. And this article gives us the perspective that perhaps access alone is not the only issue. So here's the thing. The reason why we have just the one is because this is quite a longer article. And because the perspective is so important, I really expect that you spend the time and really engage with this material, reflect and process this, and write very, very thorough notes, not just so that I can see you actually did it, but also, and more importantly, to really assist you in your retention and processing of this information. So yes, I am only giving you a single article to read this week. However, my expectation when I see your notes in number 2 this week is that it is reflective of several hours of reading and processing and reflecting. Okay, so you'll see just the single Cornell notes for those of you that want to do Cornell notes. Again, if you're doing a mind map, you can upload your photo there. But I'm expecting, my expectations for your notes this week, especially since I am just asking that you read the one article, is that your notes are very, very thorough. Impress me with how thorough your notes are this week. And please keep in mind that especially this week, because I'm only assigning one single article, I am going to be grading with that high expectation in mind. Also, and lastly, I have got PowerSchool just about up to date, so you'll find your grades on PowerSchool are current. And so I am giving you just a single article to read this week with another thing in mind. I'd like to give those of you that need it an opportunity to catch up on some of your missing assignments. So of course, the article that I have assigned for this week is priority, but with the free time that I'm sure you will find that you have, please, please, please use that free time productively to go back into previous weeks. Take a look at what you got low grades on. Take a look at what is missing or outstanding and use that time to catch up. Okay? We have just a few weeks left of this semester before summer. I want to give this time to you as an opportunity to catch up so that we can enjoy our summer and finish this semester off strong. Of course, as always, my office hours are Mondays and Thursdays from 1:30 to 2:30. If this is something you'd like to work on together, if you're feeling like you need help, reach out. I'd love to meet with you during office hours, or just shoot me an email if it's something quick and easy. And other than that, good luck, and I'll see you next week.